If you want to know what comes with your cold therapy machine, you came to the right spot. We're going to show you what comes in the box when you get your cold therapy machine. Hi, it's Steve from MyColdTherapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. Patients are always asking us what comes in the box. How do I know I'm getting the right things? Michelle, please show us what comes in the box.
Today we're going to show you what's inside the box for the Breg Polar Care Glacier system. So once you get your box, go ahead and open it up. The first thing you're going to pull out is a skin warning. This just serves as a reminder to never put the pads directly on your skin and always make sure you use some type of barrier. Next, if you ordered a pad with your system, you're going to find your pad inside the box for whatever body part you're treating. Once you've gotten those out, you can go ahead and remove the cooler from the box. The power supply for your system is going to be inside. Go ahead and pull that out and make sure it's there. And once you've made sure that everything's in place, you are ready to set up your system and begin your therapy.
Now that you know what comes with your cold therapy machine, let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful, and do give us a like. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.